Okay, one way if you want to move away from the U.S., whether you're a U.S. citizen or a U.S. resident, and exclude a lot of income off your taxes, the best way to do it is using the foreign earned income exclusion. You actually have to fill out the form for the foreign earned income exclusion to actually participate in this, and you're going to have to be outside the U.S. so many days per year before you can actually qualify for that. Now, the people that would participate in this is, let's say, a U.S. resident or a U.S. citizen that wants to move abroad. Now, it can help you or it can hurt you. If you're in a high tax country, up to the first 120,000 US dollars, you can exclude off your taxes. Or you can, what you do is you pay the taxes in that other country. Now, if you're in a pure tax haven country, then you won't have any income taxes like St. Kitts or the Cayman Islands. But if you're coming to one of the places that has high taxes like Germany, you could end up paying a lot more in taxes on the first 120,000 US dollars than you would living in the US. So it can benefit you or it can hurt you, depending on what you're looking at there. Now, a common misconception about the foreign earned income exclusion is that its excluded income does not need to be reported on a U.S. tax return. Now, in fact, exclusion applies only if you are a qualifying individual with foreign earned income who meets all of the requirements to claim the foreign earned income exclusion and file a tax return reporting the income. Now, let me give it to you for 2023. Typically, I don't have the new figures for 2024. Which is only 2 months away, but more than likely they're going to go up on this. They go up every single year on it. But the limit on excludable amount, let's talk about that. Now, the maximum foreign earned income exclusion amount is adjusted annually for inflation. Now, for the tax year 2022, the maximum foreign earned income exclusion is the lesser the foreign income earned, or $112,000 per qualifying person. For the tax year 2023, the maximum exclusion is $120,000 per person. Now, I'm actually taking this right from the IRS's website. Okay, so if you got any questions, you can literally go to the IRS website and pull up foreign earned income exclusion. You can pull it up yourself. Now, if two individuals are married and both work abroad and meet either the bona fide residence test or the physical presence test, each can choose the foreign earned income exclusion together, and they can exclude as much as 240,000 US dollars for the tax year 2023. Now, if the period for which you're qualifying for the foreign earned income exclusion includes only part of the year, you must adjust the maximum limit based on the number of qualifying days in the year, as I'm going to talk about here. Now, in addition, the amount of qualified housing expenses eligible for the foreign housing exclusion or housing deduction is also limited. The limitation on housing expenses is generally 30% of the maximum foreign earned income exclusion. Now, for 2023, the housing amount limitation is 36,000 US dollars. However, the limit will vary dependent on the location of your foreign tax home and the number of qualifying days in the tax year. Now, if you're claiming a foreign earned income exclusion, you must figure the amount first, because the foreign earned income exclusion is limited to your foreign earned income minus any foreign housing exclusion that you claim. Now, this is a great way to get your actual income to zero, depending on what you're making, up to $240,000 if you're married and you file a joint tax return. I would advise people, if you're looking for adventure and you don't mind going overseas, and you go to a pure tax haven, because remember, you're going to have to go to a pure tax haven that doesn't have an income tax locally, like St. Kitts or places like Antigua, the Cayman Islands, for this to benefit you. Because otherwise, if you go to a high tax country, this could actually hurt you on the first 120,000 if it's one person, and then 240,000 if it's two people. If you want to know more on this, go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, and just ask for some help. And I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, just put it below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the right of your screen right here, and you get new videos automatically as they come out. And I look forward to talking to you on the next video. Take care.